I originally came in because I had been told I had sleep apnea, and I was starting to have some pain in this side of my jaw. And one night I woke up and the pain was very extreme. So I came in for that. So we tried several different things for the sleep apnea, a couple different pieces. And since I've been seeing Dr. Siman, I've done 2 different sleep apnea tests. The results were excellent the next time I took the test. My numbers had dropped so low it was fabulous. I was really kind of surprised at how low my numbers had dropped, because I had been told this is a good number if you can get to this certain number, and I went way below that. The pain has gone away. For me, that's very exciting. First of all, I'm not snoring as much, and if I have it, it's very slightly. And second of all, I just feel better because I know that I am getting a healthy night of sleep. I would never have to wear the CPAP machine, and that was the whole purpose of me coming to see Dr. Siman. I have more energy during the day. I truly am very happy that I came to see Dr. Siman, because I thought there's got to be another solution other than wearing that CPAP machine, because it's so much easier and so much more convenient when you travel just to have this mouthpiece. And I travel a lot and go to see different people. I want something that's just easy and convenient, and and it did the trick. I wasn't expecting that, and it was a really good surprise.